Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a vidIQ extension to YouTube. Before we start, if you don't have a vidIQ account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to unlock premium vidIQ features for only $1 for your first month. It's the easiest way to test vidIQ on your own YouTube channel and follow this tutorial step by step. So first up, go ahead and go to the top right of your specific browser, and then just go ahead over to the extensions tab and click on Visit Web Store. And then if you don't have it, just make sure to use a Google Chrome or Brave. As you can see, I'm using Brave. And then go to find vidIQ. Click on vidIQ Vision for YouTube, and then just go ahead and click on Add. Go ahead, click on Add once more, and then just wait for the process to finish. Once that's done, you can now then go ahead and go to YouTube. And if you already have it open, just basically refresh the page. And after that, you'll have filters in here from vidIQ and these details. And we go ahead and go to your YouTube Studio. Here we have vidIQ as well. And from here, and we go ahead and create a content. Let's say you wanted to upload some things. All right. vidIQ will be available as well in the upload settings. But that's just basically it. That is how you add vidIQ extension to YouTube. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.